Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by prioritizing image quality and immediate action. Upload or open the clear photo and scan it visually for unique details. Once done, make sure you're on Facebook desktop for best results and that you're logged in. You should also have a list of likely names, locations, workplaces, or schools ready. Next, use a browser right-click reverse image search or the Facebook photo search box as the first actionable step to surface profiles or shared posts that contain that photo. You now refine the hunt by combining image cues with Facebook's filters. Start by entering likely names, locations, or employers into the People and Posts tabs, then switch to photos and groups to catch shared instances. Once you get candidate profiles, compare profile photos, mutual friends, and timestamps. Check captions and comments for context. You should also inspect the photo's upload history and surrounding images to confirm identity. If a reverse image search returned external matches, follow those posts back to Facebook pages or repost threads. You finish by confirming identity through multiple independent signals, matching faces across several photos, overlapping friends, consistent bio details, and recent activity. Once reasonably certain, you may send a concise, respectful message. Explain why you're reaching out and include context. If nothing matched, retry. Crop or rotate the photo, remove watermarks, or try different reverse image engines and keywords. If images look altered or privacy settings hide content, ask mutual friends for assistance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.